Hey YouTube, this is Louie, and I'm doing a review on this M4 Essentials chest rig. It's for M4 mags, for an M4 obviously. It's nice. It's made of thick, good quality material. As you can see how thick the shoulder pads are. Then this is just good, great material. But anyways, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can put it in these ones, but they're just really, really deep. Kind of awkward to get in. See, the mag's completely in this. You gotta dig around there to get it out. That's why I prefer these four. These ones are a little difficult to get into, but you're going to want a dump pouch with this. Then just pull it out. Right up here, there is 4 pistol mag pouches. There is a large admin pouch that goes all the way to the edges on both sides, so it can fit a map, pretty much whatever you want. Then behind that, there is, I can just quick take this off for you guys. And on the back, if you cross them, they don't fall down as easy. But on the inside there is this pouch for just whatever you want to keep against your body. I'm probably not going to put anything there because it'd be uncomfortable. It's really quick to get on and off if, like, I don't know what you need to get on and off quick for, but mag's right there. There's no molly on here, which would be nice, but there's not. You put water bottles in these side pouches, a map or pencils and pens in this one. I do not recommend this for large milsim games. I'm just going to be using this for like CQB, most likely. Even though it's tan, there's no camouflage in CQB really. So that's probably what I'll be using this for. So it's really nice. The buckles, just really good sounding and solid, just built like a tank if it was metal. Anyways, this is the review on the M4 Essentials. Actually, it can fit AK mags too. So M4/AK Essentials. It's only $39, $40, which on Airsoft GI, which I got it in a mystery box with a drop leg holster. But anyways, thanks for watching, and see you guys in my next video.